Hello guys, today we're making Mean Streak and Star Sprite. Fold the right corner to the middle, do the same with the left, then fold it to the bottom, then fold the tip back up, then flip it. So take only this part and put it on the middle line, crease it, and then take this bit and put it. Do the same for the left side. Then fold it in half. Make sure you crease it hard. Then put the wing like this. Do the same for the other side. Then take this part and put it up here. And you're done. Now we're doing Star Sprite. So first take your paper, then fold the right top corner like this. Then do the same with the left. Then take the right side and fold it to the center crease. Then do the same with the left side. Then fold the right bottom corner up. Do the same with the left. Fold the top part down until the part you just made in the previous step. Turn your paper to see if the center crease is matching with the other one. Turn your paper back. Then fold your paper up like this, not fully. And then fold your paper in half away from you. Keep the crease. Then fold the wings. Match your other wing. Then place the plane on the table. Fold the winglets up. And then your Star Sprite is finished.